Alam naman natin na malaki ang serving dito at good for sharing as always, kaya sobrang perfect ng all for me para siyang mix and match para matikman lahat. Meron ganyan sa Chili's dito sa UP Town Center, Quezon City. Dito na kami nag-early dinner. Pwede kang mamili ng starter, soup, or salad sa all for me, then choose your solo entry. Pinili ko yung favorite ko na original chicken crispers. At may drinks pa yan na lemonade, 380 yan, available all day, every day. Nagsisling fajitas tryo kami, may kasama ng grilled chicken, grilled steak at shrimp, ibabalot yan sa tortilla. Kasama ng bell pepper, onion, garlic, butter, fresh cilantro sa ilalim at lagyan ng sour cream, house-made pico at shredded cheese. Sakto yung punta namin kasi hanggang December 15 lang tong pomegranate margarita na buy one take one, happy and tipsy night talaga. With sides na fries ang BB Back Ribs Full Rock. Favorite ko yung corn, consistent ng tamis ever since. Big serving, malaman ng BB Back Ribs, peppery, and may asim yung original sauce. One of the best molten chocolate cake talaga sa Chili's. May warm chocolate cake na may fudge filling. May vanilla ice cream sa ibabaw at binalutan ng crunchy chocolate shell. Good food, good ambience, nadagdagan na naman ng mga favorite ko dito. Happy time everyone!